stamped right on top. Pretty dope. Normally 35, go for 10 bucks. 10 bucks for these mediums. This medium shirt, not bad. Go for 100. The LeBron. First time we've ever seen these on sale. That's crazy. PG3s. Dang, these on sale too. I almost neglect these. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, man, we're back for another video. Yeah, gonna check out a couple retail stores. I am curious to see if these Jordan Winterized 4s sold out. So I'm curious as hell. So yeah, I happened to be at the block out in Orange, California. So yeah, Orange, California. That's in Orange County. Yeah, we got a Finish Line. We got a Shoe Palace. Let's go see what's up, you guys. See what's up. This is one of the hugest Shoe Palaces out. So yeah, let's go see what's up. See what's up. This place is huge. This place is huge, you guys. Let's go see if they got some steals and deals and see what's up with these 4s, man. Jordan section is popping. I don't see any of the Winterized 4s. I think they're sold out. Dang, let me go talk to someone real quick. All right, I didn't even know, but apparently this is an outlet. It's not a retail, so they don't even have the Winterized 4s. They're not allowed to release them until 2 weeks later. But yeah, this is an outlet, so let's really check out the prices, see if the outlet prices are any cheaper. Let's see what's up. See, now that I found out it's an outlet, look, see, that's the thing that trips me out, because this is, the worker just told me this is technically an outlet. But the price is the same, man. What's up with that? What's up with that? See, like, I don't expect this stuff to be on sale, but I also don't expect to see this at an outlet. So I'm tripping. This is weird. So I do like the color, but the feel, man, the feel of these, like the leather, it just doesn't feel super premium, dude. Like, this part feels nice, but this part just does not feel super premium. Let me know what you guys think about these. I don't know, they call it the Black Ferraris? I don't know. The Jordan 14s. Let me know what you guys think. Did I say the Jordan 14s? Why did I say the Jordan 14s? Oh, yeah. Man, we gotta find something on sale, because this is supposedly an outlet, man. Now I'm getting disappointed. It's like I've been bamboozled and shit. Bamboozled. Check out these 9 boots. Maybe go for retail, man. Go for retail. See, now my expectations are different, so this place sucks. This is definitely some outlet stuff, though, because look at this. It's a mismatched pair. What the hell? What does a mismatched pair mean? So one's a size, they sold a size, 2 different sizes to someone? Idiots. Yeah, it's an 8.5 and this is a 9.5. So who the hell's gonna buy that? Who's really gonna buy that, really? That's just dumb. This should be sold for like $5. Yeah, 25 bucks, I guess. That's crazy. Got a Beavis and Butthead collab right here. Beavis and Butthead with Adidas. 40 bucks. I don't even know what the original price is, but 40 bucks if you like 40-year-old Beavis and Butthead. I used to watch them when I was a kid. That's funny. Okay, I'm going through their what's called their sale stuff. Like the night joggers. They don't have prices though. What's up with that? Because that's on clearance. That's a steal right there, man. That's a steal. This is anywhere near 50% off, man. That's what's up. Let me look around for the price. Not one of them have a price on it. Hell if I know, dude. All right. Yeah, they're on sale though. All right. Their apparel is on point. Look at this. This is a pretty dope Jordan. Nike. It says Nike Air and then has the Jordan stamp on it. Pretty dope. Jordan wings stamped right on top. Pretty dope. Normally 35, go for 10 bucks. And it's a size large. That's dope. That's dope. Another Jordan t-shirt. No price tag on it though. I'd probably try to get it for 10 bucks. Not bad. Old school Jordans. 10 bucks for these mediums. This medium shirt. Not bad. Not bad. This safari shirt kind of matches that animal print 3. Jordan 3. 15 bucks. 50% off. Not shabby. I'm not a fan, but I'm sure some of you guys are. Got these off-white shorts. They're not really off-white. They're just Jordans. They had 25 bucks. That's an XL. If this actually was a large, I would actually get it. But yeah, too big. 25 bucks. Normally probably like, I couldn't find the regular price tag. Probably like 50 bucks. City pack LeBron jerseys. See? Supposed to be an outlet. Still going for retail though, man. Come on now. Come on now. Those do look dope. But come on now, it's an outlet. The Kyries. All black going for $130. Going for retail. Not bad. Obviously more retails. Pretty new. Going for $100. The LeBrons. MLPS colorway. Going for retail. Retail, the Giannis. I'm so mad I didn't get those IDs, man. I'm so mad I didn't get the Nike IDs for 42. More retail. If you get these are one of the tightest shoes that you can buy. So make sure you half a size or even a full size up. Mine are a full size up from my regular regular Nikes. We just saw these at the Nike outlet for like 80 bucks, 70 bucks something. Going for $150 here. LeBrons, not bad, not bad. I think I'm gonna wrap this up, man. Not really any competitive pricing here, so I'm gonna wrap it up. Go find some deals somewhere else. Yeah, we got Bosco doing his live stream. Make sure you guys go check out his channel. I'll put a link right here, or not a link. I'll put his tag right here. Go check him out. All right, let's go to Finish Line. Let's go see what's up at Finish Line. All right, I rarely ever start out with Adidas, but man, look at this, man. $60 off, 33% off. That's what's up. Got some more deals, man. Ultra Boost on sale today. Damn. Dang, $100. That's what's up. Ultra Boost 2019s, man. Look, don't have too many sizes. 11.5s, 11s, and 12s. And I got this army color. Going for $135. Got the 8s, 11s, and 12s, 13s. Dang. Gotta check the sales though. The gold toes. Oh, these aren't even on sale though. Going for retail. What the hell? It's like false advertising, man. Yeah, it's not bad. The kids foam posits. It's a pretty cool colorway too. What size is this? I don't know what size it is. It's a kid size though. Yeah, $130. Not shabby. We've seen these going for $60, right, plus 20% off at the outlet. So yeah, that's kind of expensive. Night joggers, not too bad. Not too bad. Not a big fan of that colorway, but yeah, more than 50% off. Can't complain with that. Let's check out the Jordan section. That's crazy that these are on sale already. These came out, what, a month and a half ago? That's crazy. Maybe 2 months ago. That's crazy. Yeah, these have been sitting like ducks everywhere too. Not surprised. What? It's the first time we've ever seen these on sale. That's crazy. These have been sitting that much? These have been sitting that much? Wow, that's crazy, guys. We just saw this across the way for full price, and then we come here, $100, man. Damn, that's what's up. That is what's up. I kind of prefer this colorway, man. This one's not on sale yet. Perhaps. Hopefully we see these in the outlets eventually. Dang, these on sale too? What? I guess this is a Finish Line outlet, not just a regular Finish Line, because wow, we've never seen that on sale. I don't think I've ever seen any of the Giannis on sale. The Greek Freaks, dang, same colorway though, I guess, huh? Wait, so these are on sale, but these are not? What the hell? That's crazy. So that's crazy. Different colors, same price. And not on sale. The TVs, none of these TVs are on sale. That's crazy. Got the PGs are on sale. PG3s. But NASA's not on sale. Man, that's weird. I don't understand what's on sale, what's not. I don't know how they figured it out. What? Wow, really? That's crazy. Never seen these on sale. Wow. I did hear that these are on sale on the Nike website, but that's still crazy. I've never seen that on sale at the retail shop. What? It's the deal of the day right there. These Witness 4s are hell of a deal too. Got that Zoom Air. You know, most signature shoes barely got Zoom Air, and this ain't even a signature. I got it. That's what's up. That is what's up, you guys. $75. Not a big fan of the colorway though. But still, that price, man. These KDs have been sitting everywhere, right? Yeah. Been sitting. That's why they're on sale. Let me know what you guys think of these prices, man. I was getting mad at the prices, and then all of a sudden they're hitting up us all kinds of sales, man. That's dope. That's dope. I guess all the witnesses are on sale. And I guess all the PGs are on sale. Why would they put all the PGs together? Like, none of this seems to make sense. It's crazy. One more colorway. Man, this stuff is crazy. All right, we're checking out the women's section, man. Look at this. This is cheaper than the outlets. The outlets had this for $100. The one that I just went to, the Orange County one, had this, I think, for like $119 plus 20% off. So yeah, this is cheaper. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. Yeah, man. Y'all need to hit a finish line. I don't know if this is an outlet or what, but it's cheap as hell though. Slight discount on these. Okay. Slight discount. Not a bad colorway. Slight discount. These are Flyknit versions. But yeah, we're getting back to these because these are so dope. And I'm a big fan of the colorway too, man. That is dope. $100, you guys. $100 freaking dollars. Alright, I usually like to pay a little under 100 for these Air Max, but pretty dope colorway. Not shabby. Not bad for these 97s. So. Air Max Plus. Damn, they got a good selection. All white. Air Max 98s, man. Legit, dude, legit. All blacks Air Max 98s. Look at that. I wonder if I should get this for my niece. I need to get her something. I'm wondering if this is it. This is it, maybe. To think about it. Women's Ultra Boost. Not a bad colorway. Yeah, this colorway sucks, but look at that price. I'm just not a fan of the black and the red. But yeah, look at that price though, man. That's crazy. Crazy. NMDs. Got a bunch of NMDs. Going for 100. Slight discount. Some more slight discount. Bosco doing his thing. Bosco and I were just talking about these, man. Just never on sale. These just came out. Yeah, this I think technically this is the newest colorway, right?
Yeah,
this is the newest colorway. I don't know how that's on sale. $30 off. I don't know how that's on sale. That suede, they got that suede right here. Not the highest quality suede. I'm not gonna lie, but these are $100, man. They're not gonna be the same as the Jordans that are 200. Like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Oh, this actually feels smoother right here. Oh, it's because this is painted with the black stuff. The inside's a lot smoother, and you can see it move. Look at that. You can see the suede hair move. And these ain't bad. Got the red in the back. Can't focus for nothing, but yeah. Got the strap right there with the eye on it. Yeah, it has Zoom Turbo. One of the few shoes with Zoom Turbo. Nike's one of Nike's best cushioning systems, especially for basketball. It's articulated Zoom unit. Yeah, that's dope, man. That is dope. That is a steal. That's a steal of the day right there, you guys. Only $30, but the fact that nobody else has it on sale, and they got it on sale here, that's crazy. Did I almost neglect these? Damn, these are clean, dude. These are clean for a woman. Damn. Like a peachish color on top. $100. Don't have too many sizes though. The 8s and 9s pretty much. 8, 8.5, 9. Night joggers, $50 off. Not too shabby. Got a few sizes left. All black colorway. Not too bad. I know these are comfortable as hell. They got full length boost. Can't complain with that. Barely have any of these left though. So cool. Did I miss out on these earlier? Oh, dang, these are huge. Yeah, going for $70. It's a safe 70. But look, it's going for 70. Yeah. But yeah, these are huge. It says 12.5, I think. But yeah, going for $70. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Cheaper than full price. $1.25, I think. No tags. It just looks like someone just put their superstar up there. What the heck? It's the Manoas. I don't see these too often. Size 10 too. I don't know how much they go for though. I do need some boots. I don't know how much these are going for. $90. They just did a price check. Yeah, too rich for my blood. But these are dope though. They actually seem pretty comfortable. It's like a synthetic material, but yeah, too much. I'll try to find them on sale. I have no pair of boots. You know, I have like 80 pair of shoes, no pair of boots. need to be a little more versatile, dude. All right, I think that's about it, you guys. Gonna wrap things up for this one. Yeah, this is a finish line. Apparently they do have outlets. I did talk to the staff members here. They did say that the prices are pretty much the same as everywhere else, so they just have a lot more of the sale items. But yeah, but not bad, you guys. Finish line are always cheaper than the other spots. Finish line and Shoe Palace. Yeah, they tend to be cheaper. All right, not bad, you guys. Not bad. Yeah, obviously it's not cheap as outlets and stuff, but it's not really the same as a Nike outlet. But yeah, thanks for making it to the end of the video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you've been watching and haven't been subscribing, there's plenty of you guys out there. I'm looking at you. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for supporting all you new subscribers, all you old subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.